Good morning, my dear children. My dear children, we are going to start with online classes. So I can see from 5th B, I met only 7 students today. So even for 5th A, we are going to go. As per the day which is given, we will follow that. And when the link is sent to you, my dear children, you have to on that link. You have to be ready for the class. And then we can have a chat. If there is any problem, we can solve the problem with you, my dear children. So please come on online classes. Whenever the link is sent to you, please on that. Okay, click on that link and then we can see you, and don't mute it because we want to hear your voice also. And don't say in between, you just raise your hands. Yeah, my dear children, you raise your hands and then we'll have a talk with you. We can see only at a time 3 students, but then we have to scroll it and then we see more students. Today only I met from 5th B 7 students, and Avinash Kaye something, he had not on the video. So please on your videos so that I can see you. Yes, my dear children. Tomorrow if it is there, I'll just let you know. I'll send the link. Yeah. Okay. We have started for the prose comprehension. Today also I'm going to go with that. Okay, one passage is given, some questions and then answers. Okay, that is seen passages, unseen passages. Seen means from the textbook, unseen means from the outside. Okay. One day, Neeru and Neema were traveling to Banaras. It was hot and the bullock cart humped along the dusty road. Now here it is telling one day Neeru as well as Neema they were going to Banaras, and it was very hot, and the bullock cart bumped. Bumped means it was stuck into the dusty road. Okay. Bumped means it was, that is, okay, move up and down and then stuck it and then again to remove it. When you go on the speed breakers, you see how it is bumps up that way. On the way, they passed a pool with many lotus plants on the edge. On the pool, what did they see? Many lotus plants. On the corners, at the edge means as they were going on the corners. They stopped to drink water. While they were washing their faces. They wanted to drink some water. Neema heard a weak cry, a very small voice of crying she heard. "What's that?" she said. The cry came again. Again there was a cry. She's telling, "What is that? I can't understand." Neeru stepped into the pond and looked among the lotuses. Neeru, she went a little bit further near the pond where there were lotuses. She peeped into that and she saw among the lotuses. To his surprise, he found a baby on one big lotus leaf. Now, as Neeru stepped into the pond, he looked over there some lotuses, and when he saw the lotus, he was surprised to see a baby. There was a baby on one big lotus leaf. When Neema saw the baby, she said, "Poor little thing, we cannot leave it to die over here." Now Neema said, "Poor that baby, that little child. We cannot leave that child over here to die." Neeru was not sure because they were not so rich. Now Neeru said that we are not so rich. How can we carry that? But Neema was already walking towards the cart. Neema was she was already ready to go near that cart where the baby was kept, playing with the baby. Now she started playing with the baby. There was nothing he could do. The next day he took the child to a mosque. Next day they took the child to the mosque over here and asked the priest to give it a name. Then they told the priest to give the child a name. The priest opened the Quran and found the name Kabir. The priest opened that book, Quran book, and he got the name as Kabir. So here one day Neeru and Neema, they were traveling to Banaras, and it was very hot, and the bullock cart was bumped on the dusty road. As they were going, they saw many lotuses on the edge of on the road. They stopped over there to drink water. While they were washing their faces, Nima heard a very weak cry, very small little voice of crying. And then Nima said, "What's that? Who's crying?" Neeru stepped into the pond and looked among the lotuses. To the surprise was a baby on one of the lotus leaf. And now Nima was ready to take the child home. But Neeru thought that we are not so rich, we can't take. But Nima already walked towards the cart and started playing with the baby. But there was nothing he could do. The next day they went to the mosque and asked the priest to give the name to this child. As the priest opened the Quran, they found the name Kabir. Now see the questions. Which plants were growing on the edge of the pool? Naturally you'll get the answer. Lotus plants were growing on the edge of the pool. How did Neeru and Nima find the baby? How did they find the baby? Here Neeru and Nima found the baby on a big lotus leaf. See here? They found a baby on a big lotus leaf in a pool where they had stopped to drink water. As they wanted to drink water, they found that baby. There was nothing he could do. Rewrite the beginning with he could not. You have to rewrite the sentence using he could not. You have to make a sentence, there was nothing he could do. You have to start with he could not. So here you will write he could not do anything. He could not do anything. You have to start with he could not. Next, write the opposites of weak. The opposite of weak is strong. The opposite of the weak is strong. Sure, unsure. What name was given to the child? What name was given to the child and how? The child was named as Kabir. How? After a name in the Quran. As the Quran was opened from the mosque, the book of the Muslims, from that they got the name Kabir. So my dear children, you have to write this in your notebook, as well as you have to solve these question answers also in your notebook. Okay, read that passage again and then you understand it properly, then you write it. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Stay home, stay safe.